Hey guys, so I've had a lot of requests for finishing up my vehicle wrap tutorial, and I'm sorry it's taken so long. Working on a doctorate, my PhD in instructional design. I've got a full-time job here in my studio, and I've got kids and life and family and everything. So I'm sorry for not getting on that. I'm sorry for that it's taken this long. I think I did my last vehicle tutorial in 2015, so we're coming up on 4 years. Sorry, but I'm finally able to finish work on that tutorial. I'm gonna do another series, step by step, beginning to end, and it's all thanks to some time, some patience, broken, not not really the best cell phone, and a bunny. So let me tell you about that story. So to make this part of the story short, just know that I've been looking for an opportunity to take the next steps, going to print from a wrap design. However, I'm not doing this full time, and I'm not made out of money, so I couldn't really justify wrapping my own car just yet. Back in February, though, I was contacted about an opportunity to help out with this nonprofit wrap project that was in the works. Street artists in New York City, and this fundraiser. I'll post links and everything for it. Anyway, my phone is so old that I didn't have Instagram on it, so I instead just went and viewed Instagram on my browser. And this woman contacted me back in February. 2 months later, come to find out that she had sent me some direct messages, and I didn't get them because who doesn't check their DMs, you know? Anyway, so I replied, got the ball rolling. She was having a major problem with the files that the designer gave her, and getting them ready for the car itself. And so I said, sure, you know what, I can help. We had a whirlwind of a really frantic weekend, back and forth, cross country calls and texts, and I helped her get those files ready, and they are being printed right now. Actually, I think they're probably done today, and they're getting them on the car today and tomorrow. So look forward to that start to finish tutorial on how to design a car wrap, start to finish, from a blank canvas in Illustrator, blank artboard, all the way through to getting that printed. And I'll show you how to do it step by step. Also, check out her fundraiser. I've got links in the description here, and hopefully you can support it. It's a great cause, and they're raising money for freeartsnyc.org, and bringing street art around the world, and it's a great cause. So anyway, go support that. I'll post a link, like I said, in the description, and check it out. Thank you. Have a good one.